In this video, we're going to talk about offer or offers development. And basically what this is what are you selling or what do you want to sell? And you might have this down pat already, which is great. I am very happy for you. I still recommend you watch the video anyway, because it might be good to go over these things again. Or if you don't really have any offers or you haven't solidified them, I highly recommend watching this video. Now, if you're anything like me, creating offers can be kind of hard to do. I struggle with creating offers for my services for years, and I still struggle from time to time on coming up with good, solid offers. For example, with digital marketing, I can do Facebook ads, I can build websites, I can build sales funnels, I can set up marketing automation, I can build messenger bots, I can do analytics and conversion rate optimization, I can do a whole bunch of different things. But in the past, when I've tried to sell that I can do everything, people can't grasp that, or they wonder what the cost will be, and it's kind of hard to give them the cost because in order to figure all that out, I need to figure out what they need, and since they might need this, that, and the other thing, the job winds up becoming super customized and hard to really get a good handle on, and so then people waffle back and forth, and eventually just nothing happens. So what you need is a good, solid, concrete offer, or maybe a few offers. And the best way to think about this is creating a productized service. And here are a few examples. So getting a haircut, this is a service. You spend 20 bucks, your hair gets cut. If you want your lawn mowed, it costs you 40 bucks. If you want a massage, it's 100 bucks. If you want Botox, it's 200 bucks. If you want your teeth cleaned, it's 50 bucks. If you want your taxes done, I don't know how much taxes cost, but we'll say it's 250 bucks. The point is that these are all services and you pay a set price in order for those services to be done for you. And so your goal is to come up with services that you can do for other people, where they're going to pay you a certain amount of money and they know what they're going to get in return. And Fiverr is a great place to find productized services. Now they are probably on the lower end, but it could at least get you thinking in the right direction. You could also do Google searches for productized service examples if you're having a hard time coming up with something. So there are a lot of different examples out there to get you thinking in the right direction. So here's a little formula to help you develop your offers if you don't have any already. Or again, if you do have some, it might be good to plug your offer into this formula and see what comes out the other end. So the formula is this. I do X, which includes A, B, and C. It costs Y and will be done in Z. Now, X is the name of your service, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, however many equals the deliverables, so what you're going to give to people, or what's included in the service. Y is the cost of the service, and Z is the time frame it will take you to complete the service. So for example, I build interest-driven sales funnels, which include strategy sessions, marketing automation development, 3 micro sales funnels, and 1 month of Facebook ads management. It costs $5,000 and will be done in 8 weeks. And of course, I can break these deliverables down into more details, but that's the 30,000 foot view of the productized service that I'm going to offer. So by using this formula, it will help you really hone in on what you are actually going to sell people, which again can be hard to figure out, especially if you have so many different things you can offer. So here are a little more thoughts on your offer development. So you can create tiered offers. For example, you can have a low, medium, and high price points. And that kind of makes you a little more open and available to more people if that's something you want or need. And this kind of gets into building a value ladder. And if you're not familiar with what a value ladder is, I have an article linked to down below that I recommend you go ahead and check out and read. You could also come up with recurring type offers. And these can be things like management services and maintenance. And then of course you can get all sorts of add-ons and upsells. For example, with my sales funnel service, I could let people add extra micro sales funnels for, $1,000 or something along those lines. And finally, again, the formula is I do X, which includes A, B, and C. It costs Y and will be done in Z. If you can answer this question and fill in these variables, you'll be headed in the right direction when it comes to figuring out what you're going to offer your ideal customer.